If your mouse is not working inside LDPlayer, yeah, that can make the emulator almost unusable. The good news is this is usually a simple settings or control issue, and we can fix it fast. First, restart LDPlayer. Temporary input glitches can stop the mouse from working properly inside the emulator. Next, check the mouse mode. Make sure the cursor is locked to the emulator screen, or switch between mouse modes using the LDPlayer toolbar. Now click directly inside the LDPlayer window. Yeah, sometimes the emulator just loses focus and stops detecting input until you click back in. If it still doesn't work, close background apps like screen recorders or macro tools. These can interfere with mouse input in emulators. Next, open LDPlayer settings and reset controls or key mapping. Incorrect key mapping can sometimes break mouse behavior. You should also update LDPlayer to the latest version. Yeah, older versions can have input bugs like mouse not responding. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your mouse working again in LDPlayer without any issues.